was the flypast courtesy, the Indian Air Force Eastern Air Command, steering the LH Mark III helicopter. We have squadron leader Captain Virender Singh, Flight Lieutenant Shashank, Sergeant Kiran, and Sergeant Beg, flight gunner, dropping a weight of 50 kilograms of flower petals as a mark of respect to the national tricolour unfurled.
The parade commander for today's parade is Ms. Shivangi Goyal, IPS probationer, batch of 2022 of the Indian Police Service. Ms. Shivangi hails from Bilkhupwa, Hapur district of Uttar Pradesh. She did her graduation from Sri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University, and has worked in the social sector, particularly for women and youth in distress. She went on leadership and youth exchange program to Japan as ambassador of Indian students. She is also a gold medalist in creative writing, having won Albert Barrow All India Creative Writing Competition.
contingent parade पर आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
On this very special day, we pay homage to all our freedom fighters and the framers of our Indian Constitution.
Approaching the dais and to take the salute is now the parade commander, Ms. Shivangi Goyal, followed by the second in command, ADSI Dinesh Boro of the Meghalaya Police. We have the contingent of the Border Security Force led by Sub-Inspector Gaurav Kaushal, the CRPF contingent led by Inspector K. Khote, Taking the salute now is the District Executive Force led by ABSI Hamid Dakar. Approaching the saluting dais and taking the salute now is Sikkim Police led by SI Khhuborjylla. Taking the salute now is the 1st MLD Battalion led by ABSI Jimbad Samla. Approaching the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the Assam Regiment Peit Band led by Subedar LJ Khongsai. Approaching the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the NCC Boys Contingent led by Senior Under Officer Shandao Khongji. Following the NCC Boys Contingent is the NCC Girls Contingent led by Senior Under Officer Sarita Samla. Approaching the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the Bharat Scouts and Guides Contingent led by Scout Tanmay Bhomik. Approaching the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the only school contingent of this year's Republic Day Parade, Sacred Heart High Secondary School, led by Ilasara Khongni. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, taking the salute now is the Bordering Home Guard Brass Band, led by Havildar Prafulla Basumantari.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of parade at the 75th Republic Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by all the contingents and drill masters braving the chills these past few days.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Samiksha Kram of the 14 steps forward. We now request one and all to kindly rise as the chief guest receives the Rashtriya salute.